These 5 stocks could skyrocket in December. November saw record highs as Wall Street anticipated big changes. In November, the S&P 500 climbed 5.7%, the Dow Jones rose 7.5%, and the Nasdaq added 6.2%. The Russell 2000 surged nearly 11% driven by expectations of faster growth and lower taxes under Trump. Tesla. No S&P 500 stock has gained more from Trump's re-election than Tesla. CEO Elon Musk joined Trump's inner circle after significant campaign contributions. Tesla shares soared nearly 40% since Election Day. This surge pushed Tesla's market value over $1 trillion. Salesforce. Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM, reports earnings on December 3rd. This will test tech's ability to monetize AI and justify high stock prices. The company launched Agentforce, an AI assistant aiming for 1 billion uses by end of 2025. Salesforce is hiring 1,000 sales reps to boost adoption. Other companies see strong interest in AI agents, which are more autonomous than chatbots like ChatGPT. CrowdStrike's AI agent Charlotte grew by triple digits last quarter. Honeywell. Shares of Honeywell, ticker symbol HUN, surged 14% in November, driven by Elliott Investment Management's $5 billion stake. Elliott urges Honeywell to emulate General Electric and 3M by splitting into 2 companies, aviation and automation. Wall Street has rewarded these spin-offs generously. MicroStrategy. Shares of MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR, have surged 70% since Trump's re-election ignited a crypto rally. The company has invested over $20 billion to hold 386,700 bitcoins, now worth more than $37 billion. As the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy stock is closely tied to the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have soared post-Trump's victory. He's pledged to support the industry aiming to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Supermicrocomputer, ticker symbol SMCI. Once a star in the AI server market, it's now awaiting Nasdaq's decision on its listing status. After losing 85% of its value, Supermicro submitted a compliance plan in mid-November. The stock has since rebounded but remains down 73% from its March peak. Please like and subscribe for more updates on the stock market and investment tips.